Everybody, welcome back to the homestead. Little off-site construction I got going here. So I've been working on this place for a while, and it's for rent. So you can see the phone numbers. Go ahead and short-term rent, that is, not all of I think it's on Airbnb, but I'll find out. But here we go. So this is the place. It's a mountain retreat up here on the mountain, Kauai, and look at the views. Come on, Lucy. Let's show off some of these views. You could hike to the top of this mountain here. There's a house pad up there, but nothing, no house yet. Got a good place to sit. And we got a nice deck. And these are the views. All the way around. Got a little pond. Nice jacuzzi. That's the other place I'm working on. But here we go. Can't beat these views. Especially if you go hike up to the top. It's an easy hike. Just a few minutes. And beautiful. Barbecue. And we got gardens. So if you get lucky, probably find a strawberry in here. Oh, look at that. That one's mine. And there's kale. Eat all you want. Peppermint, spearmint. Boy, I gotta get to work up here. Beets in there. Lovely flowers. Plenty of Swiss chard if you're hungry. Orchard over there. It's coming together, and it's a great place to rent and hang out for a weekend. So give it a shot. If you're interested, here's the phone numbers and everything again. Give them a call, Quinn or Larry. It's in the county of Riverside, California. We're close to Lake Hemet. We're close to Trip Flats. Good hiking trails. You could hike to the top of Kauai. Check it out. Adios. God bless.